I was a student athlete at Chico State, and I just graduated from college last year. And last spring in a soccer game, I was tackled and heard a snap and a pop, fell to the ground. I've been an athlete my whole life. I've been playing soccer since I was 7, super avid rock climber outdoors, and I was hoping my career to go into like outdoor guiding or backpacking. I basically was living with a torn ACL for a year without knowing it. I actually found Dr. Stone through a professional climber that I follow, Alex Puccio. So I was excited because I found someone in California that I could go and see. And so I did the free consultation over the phone with Dr. Stone. He saw my MRI and basically said that I had a ruptured ACL this entire time and I needed to get it taken care of, especially if I wanted to return to full athletics. Basically went into surgery 3 months ago. Today, I just passed my first sports test with 101%, and I'm stronger than I was prior to surgery, and the pain is basically gone. And when I would walk down hills in San Francisco or walk downstairs, my kneecap would physically slide forward, and it was extremely painful, and I had no stability in my knee at all. And now I'm hiking and like walking downstairs, like no problem, there's no pain. This is like my first really big injury and big surgery, and it was really anxiety filled and really nerve-wracking to go into such a big thing. But I think with the team here and the PT team and just the kindness that I've received here, it's been a really exciting process. So I'm excited to get back to climbing and soccer, and I know that it's possible. And so, yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm now 6 months from my ACL and PLC reconstructive surgery. I had 2 ligaments reconstructed by Dr. Stone in March. And between 3 and 6 months was go time. A goal is to get back to like longer distance running and trail running. And I did my first trail run in the Redwoods on Sunday. And that was about at the 6-month mark. That's this week. And so that was in the Redwoods, 2 miles. That was amazing. And I had 0 inflammation, 0 pain. Even going downhill a little bit, like my knee was so solid and it wasn't catching or sliding forward like it used to when I'd walk the hills of San Francisco. I've been climbing outdoors again. I'd been surfing and running, like I mentioned, biking. It's so important, and I know the Stone Clinic believes in this too, to continue to use your body to get the blood flowing, to stay in shape, to still burn calories, to still have a great diet and still be an athlete. I got to climb at sunset looking over the beach, and it was 0 pain. It was amazing, and I just danced right up the route and was so excited to have my hands like chalked up again. So it was an amazing experience with friends and back into my adventurous lifestyle.